my name is Dr. Julianne Newmark, and I am teaching English 319, Usability and User-Centered Design in spring 2022. I hope you'll consider taking this amazing and interesting class. This class will fulfill a component of your Technical Professional Communication Certificate or minor. Please watch this brief video in which I will tell you about all the fun things we're going to be doing in this class, and I hope you will enroll in it. Shown here is the flyer for English 319, available at the tiny URL link shown on the screen, which is tinyurl.com/ENGL319. Now, what do you think of the staircase shown on the flyer? Can you imagine what purpose the staircase was intended to serve, or what the homeowners might have been trying to accomplish with a stairway to nowhere? Surely we all encounter confusing and purposeless design incidences regularly, often in more crucial scenarios than an odd, perhaps decorative, nonsense staircase. As the flyer asks, have you ever used a web form on which you cannot figure out how to insert text, or how to skip a question, or how to submit or complete it? Have you struggled desperately against bad web design on perhaps a course's Learn page, or a university's website, or a company's app that you've tried to use to quickly accomplish something? It's maddening, right? All of these examples are examples of poor usability, of the design of interfaces, websites, and products or documents that did not carefully consider audiences' needs during the creation process. Here you see a flowchart that depicts the user-centered design process from usability.gov, one that, if followed when creating a web interface or even an instructional document that accompanies your IKEA bookcase, helps avoid end-user frustration. In our English 319 class, we will study and learn to create usable written and multimodal communications that help to inform and instruct specific audiences. As this flowchart shows, we will identify a need, say for a brochure about a new university service, like a new meal plan, for example. Specify the context of use for the output, where and how will people interact with and use this brochure, learn the new service's goals for informing their audience, draft a new brochure that addresses the needs of the new service providers and the needs of the target audience, test the design on a sample audience of prospective users, and revise after testing before circulation. The outputs we create and test in English 319 will hopefully prevent users from experiencing the kind of confusion and inaction that encountering this button panel in an elevator might produce. Now, which button is for up? No, wait, it can't be this one. It's got to be the other one. I guess I'll just have to give it a go and see where I end up. In learning about creating effective and user-oriented instruction sets, informational documents, surveys, and more, we will learn how testing our outputs can make our end users less frustrated and more satisfied. We will learn how to avoid common mistakes, such as the super text-heavy how-to list shown on the screen. Maybe some images or screenshots would have helped users more easily set their permissions as instructed by this file. As we pace through our 16 weeks together, we will write, we will design, we will listen, we will interview, we will examine. Pulling from design and usability failures that have ranged from disastrous to humorous, we will learn about the role technical and professional communicators can play in the field of user experience and user-centered design today. I can't wait to have you in this online class. Please contact me at newmark@unm.edu if you have any questions at all.